guys, how's it going? This is Halloween Drawings, and today we're going to go over how to draw fangs. A really simple way. I'm going to try and make this as easy as I can. I'm using this marker. You can use any marker, by the way. You can use a Sharpie, whatever you want. We're going to get into that. Before I do, though, don't forget, check this out. This is a Halloween style sketchbook. It contains concept art, doodles, sketches, all kinds of stuff like that. I know a lot of people have been asking for it, and this is why I brought it out. I made it. This is 20. Every drawing in here is drawings that I did personally, and they are not going to be posted in any social media in terms of like Instagram or Patreon. They're not going to be posted anywhere. They're specifically for the people on YouTube that asked me to do it. So this is an idea of looking into one. Listen, I literally took one of my sketchbooks and I put it in this. The idea is that I went through a very long art career and I took a break because I just couldn't stand it. All the kind of trouble of learning and all the plateaus and all that stuff just really hit me hard, and I had to quit art for 2 years. I went other places. I went to marketing, I went to web design, and I just couldn't not draw. So I came back, and now I feel like I'm living what I've always wanted to live. I'm doing stuff on YouTube about helping people draw better themselves, and they're thanking me, and it's just kind of the most rewarding thing I've ever done. And I'm doing illustration. So this book commemorates my journey, and this is kind of my gift to the community. This is the first physical thing you can hold if you're a collector of different art books. If you love that spirit, you love that art spirit, and you're all about collecting, and you're all about like having a bookshelf of materials from different artists that you love, that is me, by the way. And that is who I made this for. So we're people who love collecting and taking the spirit of art into their own bookshelf. Check this out as well. I'm not gonna have that many of them. I only printed enough for kind of the people that did ask for them, but I made more for the YouTube channel. And it's a limited time here. They're relatively cheap right now. That's 25% off till the end of the week. So click the link below, and like there's 24 pages, and I pack it full of content so that you can kind of enjoy it. That's the idea. Pretty much it. Let's get on with the lesson. Now, like I said, this is going to be the easiest drawing you've ever done. We're going to draw a straight line. I mean, we're going to draw, think of a smile. Right? Smile shape. Corner of the smiles here, crinkle up. Pull down. Make those fangs big. If you really want, you can throw smaller teeth in the middle. Throwing a line right there for the differentiations, you know, that kind of line in the teeth to make it look more three-dimensional. And maybe small line of detail up here and down here, like the lower lip. And if you really want to throw more detail, you can throw more shadow down here below the fangs and the teeth. Throw an extra line to show lighting is coming down and casting a shadow on these things, and it makes it look more bold and scary, like someone you're gonna come out and, you know, this thing's gonna come out and kill us all, bite us. Alright, that's pretty much the easiest way you can draw fangs. The easiest. I hope that was enjoyable. If you love Halloween, click that like button. Click that like button and share it. Share the video, because sharing is caring. I really appreciate you guys that share. And I will talk to you in the comment section. Start a conversation. Let's go back and forth. What's your favorite vampire movie? That's the question I'm gonna give. What is your favorite vampire movie? I'll tell you mine right off the bat. Mine is... What is mine? I really like the original Dracula. Like, well, not the original, but the Hammer movies with Christopher Lee. It's a 1970s-ish or 1980s, 70s-ish vampire movie, Dracula movies with Christopher Lee. That is my favorite vampire movies. What is yours? Do you like Underworld? Do you like, what do you like? All right, talk to you guys in the comments. See you later.